Looking for the best budget washing machine in 2025 that delivers great performance without breaking the bank? In this video, we've picked the top 3 best budget washing machines that combine powerful cleaning, energy efficiency, and smart features, all at an affordable price. Whether you need one for a small apartment or a busy family home, these models have you covered. Watch till the end to find out which washing machine is the best fit for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The Elevon Portable Washing Machine with a twin-tub design is a compelling compact choice. If you're shrinking down laundry day to fit in an apartment, dorm, or RV, with a 20-pound total capacity, roughly 12 lbs for the wash tub and 8 lbs for the spinner, it hits a sweet spot for small space setups. What stands out is its separate discharge pump for draining. This gives you flexible placement options, even when you can't rely purely on gravity drain. The machine keeps things simple. Manual knobs control wash timer, wash mode, and the spin timer, which means minimal fuss but also fewer advanced features. In everyday use, reviewers highlight that it chugs along and does a good job for typical loads, shirts, pants, light denim. But some caution arises with heavier items or if you try to overload the spin tub. It may vibrate more and feel less stable. Overall, if your priority is a truly compact, budget-friendly machine for smaller loads and space-limited living, this Elevon model delivers solid value. Just be realistic about capacity and don't expect full-sized washer performance. Number 2. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft portable washing machine is a compelling candidate if space is tight or you're living in an apartment, RV, or just want a compact laundry solution. With its top-load layout, it offers up to an 11 lb load capacity in a unit that measures just about 20.3 inch x 20.7 inch x 36.6 inch, making it ideal for small spaces. You'll find 6 built-in wash programs: normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, spin only, and 3 water temperature settings, giving you decent versatility for everyday garments. Its stainless steel inner tub promises durability, and features like a clear lid, built-in wheels, and a delay start and reloading function elevate the convenience factor. On the energy side, the motor is rated to use significantly less energy than comparable models. COMFEE claims up to 84% savings. That said, the small capacity means it's best suited for singles, couples, or small load use, not large families. Some users have flagged issues like hose leaks or requiring more frequent loads, so be sure to level it and double-check your connections. Overall, for the right user, someone seeking efficient, compact, plug-in laundry in limited space, the COMFEE portable washer hits a sweet spot in 2025. Number 1. The ROVSUN 30 lbs full automatic portable washing machine is a great pick for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful laundry solution in 2025. Designed for small spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs, this washer combines convenience, efficiency, and performance in one sleek unit. It features a large 30-pound capacity with a stainless steel drum, ensuring durability and gentle care for your clothes. The full automatic design means you can simply load your laundry, set the program, and let the machine handle the rest, from washing to spinning. Equipped with a built-in drain pump and multiple wash programs, the ROVSUN 30 lbs offers versatility for different fabric types and load sizes. Its LED display panel makes operation simple, while the quiet motor ensures minimal noise during cycles. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive cleaning power with efficient water and energy usage. Overall, the ROVSUN 30 lbs washing machine stands out for its smart design, strong performance, and user-friendly features, perfect for those who need a reliable, space-saving laundry companion.